Please subscribe to our channel and help this small channel to grow. My mom, 60s, suggested to my wife, 29 female, that she let me have sex with other people because of her MS. TLDR, my mom made a suggestion to my wife about our marriage that seems to have made her really insecure. My wife, 29, was diagnosed with MS at 24. We've been together for 10 years but married for 5. The course of the condition seems to have become more active. Last year, she needed a walker. She made the decision to leave her job. She receives disability payments and a portion of her income through LTD insurance. This year, she has transitioned to a wheelchair. I installed rails and grab bars around the bathrooms and a whole bunch of other accessibility modifications. We went back and forth about hiring a PCA for a long time, and the very first time she fell trying to go to the bathroom, the discussion was closed. All she wants is to get just barely well enough to go back to work. I am looking into options for teletherapy because her life has dramatically changed. She went from a career that she loved to the most basic of tasks winding her. This makes me worried about her becoming depressed, although she seems to really be trying to stay in a good mood even when I know that she's down. She tries to contribute in other ways and help our son even when she's exhausted. Her libido is up and down, and she tries really hard with that too, but sometimes it's just not there. When it first started, she would become incredibly frustrated with herself and tell me that I should be with someone else, to which my response was always, "What a stupid thing to say." She's since stopped. My mom has said some things that are off-putting, at best, which I probably should have said something about sooner. The worst one feels like she's lucky she's with you, otherwise right now she wouldn't even have decent health insurance. At the time, it just felt like a white noise comment. Current circumstances are sketchy, but she enrolled in my last year. When my mom brought our son home on Sunday after he had spent the weekend at my parents' house, she asked to speak to me privately and we went outside. She asked how long I intended to live like this and if I've given any thought to future children, and whether or not my son is going to have a sibling, and how long I could financially support her care. I asked her if I looked worried and told her that we are fine. I didn't address the sibling comment because that's just none of her business. She said that my wife was selfish for keeping me here and for not being open to me basically having an extramarital affair. No one put a gun to my head. I'm here of my own accord because I love her. She said that a lot of couples agree that a partner can have sex with others, and I understand that, but this is the only woman I've ever had sex with, and if I never have sex again, then that's just what it's going to be. I've read about the arrangements that other couples where a partner has MS have, but I just can't get down like that. Besides, let's say that I did and I was the type to leave when shit got hard. How am I supposed to explain that to my son as his father? After our son went to bed last night, my wife started asking me a bunch of random questions. Do I still love her? Do I still want to be with her? Am I happy? Would I ever consider a surrogate partner strictly for sex? Reworded, I can't remember exactly what she said. I answered all the questions honestly and asked where all that came from. She said that she was just wondering, and I told her that I didn't believe her and it sounded like she had a real concern. She said just something your mom said, and I didn't think I needed to spell it out to my mom, that she wasn't supposed to say anything like what she said to me on Sunday to my wife. I asked her what she said and she said that it wasn't a big deal. I started to get angry and asked again. She said that my mom just told her that she should consider the alternatives that she and my mom and I had spoken about. Based on what my wife said, she kind of just brushed it off to end the conversation quickly. I texted my mom alternatives? Seriously? You're unbelievable, and asked her who she thought she was. She said that it was just something for us to consider, and I really want to ask my mom to refrain from speaking to her about our marriage. That feels like it may be harsh considering that my mom probably does feel like she was just doing the right thing. I am just so angry that her suggestion fueled an already existing insecurity in my wife, which seemed to be getting better. How do I deal with my mom? Confession 2. Crazy MAL, I want away from me and my baby. For context, my son is 8 months old. He has special needs, tube-fed, Down syndrome, 2 severe heart defects. She refused to believe my son has DS and said she hasn't told anyone about his diagnosis. She also told me in private that she was afraid her son would leave me. She's surprised he is staying and thought he would be driven to drink due to my son's diagnosis. She also talked so much crap about my husband's father, who has always been amazing to us. She left a bad taste in my mouth, but I was polite. When she was visiting, she informed us she put a down payment on an apartment and would be selling her house to move closer to us. She wanted to surprise us. She told me that my husband called her and said, "Mommy, please move here, we need you." I said, "Really?" He told me it was all your idea. And she said, "Don't give him a hard time about it." When I asked about it, he said he never said that and was mad she'd lie about it. My son had open heart surgery at 3 months, with lots of complications. I told her how fragile he is, how he can't get sick. She proceeded to come over, not wash her hands, beeline to my sleeping baby, and pick him up. She's a smoker and we told her she can't hold him unless she changes her clothes first. She woke him up and started sticking her nasty hands in his mouth. She also has a smoker's cough and was coughing all over him. I snapped and told her to wash her hands. My husband got mad and said I was rude to her. I told him I did not want her watching him at all in the future because she can't follow simple rules. She also referred to herself as mommy when talking to my baby. I was livid. I told my husband and he said it must have been an accident. She told my hub she was sick and he asked what's wrong and she said I'm depressed and lonely, but don't worry about me because you have a new family now. I'm livid. I think she is manipulative and toxic and my husband wants to kiss her ass because she is sad. We went to dinner and she ignored me completely and acted depressed and was moping the whole time. I can't stand her pity party. She only wants to come around if we ask her. She never asks about my son's health and never asks to see him. Am I wrong for thinking she's a disgusting, manipulative, and selfish person and wanting her to stay away from my son and me? My husband thinks I'm just being a mean person. Confession of 3. My previously thought LL wife, 33 female, has been cheating on me, 34 male. I need someone to talk to. We only had sex with Max twice a month since we have been married for over 10 years. I've been a long-term lurker on this sub, but I'm struggling with this. We met in college and had limited partners before getting married. Sex life is very vanilla and infrequent. I want to talk to someone about my conflicting and confusing feelings about my wife cheating on me. My best friend started coming regularly during COVID on weekends to stay over from out of town, and I guess at some point, they started fucking. We sleep in different beds and rooms because of my weird work schedule, and I usually sleep through the night. The night I found out, I went down to the kitchen to get some advice because I had a headache and heard muffled moaning coming from the guest bedroom, where my friend was staying. When I got close, I could tell it was my wife and it felt like a gunshot to my heart. I haven't done anything about it, but I've listened to them a few other times on different visits. I'm too afraid to confront either of them for fear of her leaving me. We have kids and I love her. I don't want to break up my family, but I don't think I should be okay with what is happening. TLDR, my wife is cheating on me with my best friend and I need people to talk to. If anyone can chat for a bit, I'd like that. Edit, thanks to everyone for the replies. I didn't expect to get so many replies, was just looking for someone to talk to. But since I have received so many comments, let me provide some more info. I heard them first in February of this year, and it hurt. The more I sat on it, the more I also considered her perspective. She's been in a bad sexual marriage for a long time, and it was nice to hear her enjoying herself as much as it hurt. That is a 180 from the type of guy I am, but maybe I just am trying not to break my family up and accept her. I've searched her phone and she has sent him lots of lewd pictures and videos. Unfortunately, they must be using a messenger app, because I don't get any of the texts. I know for sure they've had sex a dozen more times since I first caught them. I know I should leave and confront, but I'm so much in my feelings on this. Edit 2. Also, I really love her and we have a great relationship outside of the bedroom. Since I found out our sex hasn't changed, but I feel like she is in a much better mood all of the time when we are together, so that's a plus.
What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below.